You're watching the Daily Market Comment here at XM.com by Haralambos Pisuros. I'm Christina Marujos. The US dollar traded lower against the majority of the other major currencies on Wednesday and continued sliding during the Asian session today. Responsible for the dollar's wounds was Fed Chair Powell, who at the press conference following yesterday's decision did not appear hawkish enough to convince the bulls to jump into the action. The committee raised interest rates by 25 basis points to its highest level in 22 years. At the press conference, Chair Powell said that the central bank will make decisions meeting by meeting, closely watching economic data, adding that they could hike again in September if the data suggests so. Regarding rate cuts, he said that they will not happen this year, refraining from closing the door to any reductions in 2024. His comments kept investors split on whether another hike should be delivered, while encouraging them to add to their rate cut bets for next year. Euro-dollar rebounded from near the key zone of 110.10, with traders now awaiting today's European Central Bank decision. A 25 basis points hike is also widely expected, but just last week, some officials pushed back the September hike. Combined with Monday's PMIs, which revealed a sharp slowdown in business activity, this prompted investors to reevaluate their view regarding the ECB's future course of action. Therefore, the spotlight will turn to President Lagarde's press conference, as traders will likely want to find out whether she will also push back on another hike or whether she will appear more hawkish than some of her colleagues. Early on Friday, the central bank torch will be passed to the Bank of Japan. Speculation for an imminent policy shift has subsided recently, as just last week, Governor Ueda reiterated his remarks that there is still some distance to go before achieving their inflation objective sustainably and stably. That said, given the bank's track record of surprising the markets, a policy tweak cannot be totally ruled out. But even if the bank does not act at this gathering, a decent upside revision of its inflation forecasts may add to speculation for a normalization step at the next meeting, which could still prove positive for the yen. Wall Street indices closed mixed yesterday as perhaps equity traders decided to adopt a more cautious stance in the midst of the earnings season. That said, with Meta Platforms announcing better than expected results after the closing bell, the future market points to a higher open today, especially in the tech-heavy Nasdaq. Combined with several tech giants reporting results that exceed analysts' forecasts, expectations of massive rate cuts by the Fed next year could help keep Wall Street in an uptrend mode for a while longer. This was a Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching at XN.com.